guys, this is GradiusPrototype part 3. So as for my previous video, I actually did the players tilt, which is here. So right now what I'm actually gonna do is make my player tilt properly and stuff like that. See, I know it's not so fluent, and so yeah. And I just realized that now my player is really very tilty right now. But by firing things still stands, still correct, still do it the correct area. So okay. So now what I'm actually gonna do is make the player stop tilting whenever he reaches a certain angle. So I'm probably just gonna use private rules, running boolean. So boolean rotate. Okay, tilt left. Okay, tilt up. All right. So this will be false right now. All right. So okay, let's say if I hit here. Okay. So if speed. Okay, tilt up is false. Tilt up is true. Sorry. So in my other update right here. No, sorry. If tilt up is true, then this happens. Alright. So far so good. Oops. Alright. And then so if player tilt rotation x, save it. Okay. So let's see this up, right? So let me that means my false part is not working. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I played it. Yes. Anyway, okay. So right now, I need to find out what's going on here. Okay. So this is always constantly true every time I press down. So in the end, it won't be false. Unless on the outside. I don't think I don't think it actually matters, because yeah, I don't think it actually matters. Maybe, I'm not sure. Alright, let's check it out. Play. Look at this. Ah. Yep, it doesn't really matter. Okay. Interesting. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm so sorry. I kind of so-called use a cheat way to make the code work. So right now what I actually did was, first I put it, if this is more than or equals to 45 degrees of x, which is when it's tilting, and then you rotate it. I mean, it won't rotate, which I put the speed to 0, and I will still put the Z RB to be 0, so that it won't go off the screen and stuff like that. And then I put else if the player is more than, his angle is more than or equals to 0, which means the starting point, and then he can rotate. So because if I actually put this first, if I put this condition first, this won't work, because this is always true. So when I actually put it on top first, this will be first. The computer will actually look for this first instead of this. You get what I mean? Because it looks from top to bottom, if you know what coding actually does. And so yeah, so if I actually do this, it works. It stops there. But a big problem is when I go down, I can't rotate anymore because it's more than or equal to 0. But don't worry, now I might, because I did this part, I'm gonna do for the other one, which is the down here. So same thing. Okay, what is 360145315? So same thing as it is. So if I guess I'll copy paste. Okay, so if player, if player tilt dot rotation, it has to be Euler angles. If not, if you just put rotation dot x like this, they will have some problem. I mean, not some problem, is like you have to write Euler angles to specify the angle you want. If you put like this, if you just put it without this, it will show some decimal points and stuff like that. You don't understand. Okay, so just put Euler angles. Trust me, it works. And I mean, if you put this, it will work. And where I start, right? Okay, so Euler angles dot x less than or equal to 315, because it's the other side. And then same thing, it doesn't rotate, so player 2 dot rotate vector 3 dot left times 0, actually, because you don't want him to move when it's not rotating there. And RB dot transform dot rotation equals Rotanian dot Euler. Sorry if I pronounced the Euler wrongly. I mean, I have no idea how I actually pronounce that. Okay, so sorry. Dot rotation dot x RB dot rotation dot y. Last but not least, 0, which means do I move? So sorry. Okay, now same thing, but this time we put else. If you just put if, you will not care about this line anymore. You just must put else if. So if layer, if layer tilt dot rotation, sorry, rotation dot Euler angles dot x is less than or equals to 0, because when you go downwards, then this happens. Not sure really works, but let's try out. Okay, so up looks fine. Oh, right, sorry, let's see it down. Nope, it's not working. Okay, not sure if I put 360 will it work, so let's try it out. Oh, they only look at it as 0 degrees every single time. So, okay, hold on. Equals to 0. I'm gonna cheat a bit, I'm not sure really works. Or layer tilt dot rotation dot Euler angles dot x is less than or equals to 360, sorry, and then this will work. I'm not sure, but let's try it out. Kind of cheated a bit. No? Okay, oh, it's not working here. Rotation dot Euler angles. It's all, dude. So, okay. So let's see if my perspective, okay. So sorry, that's bad. Got grab, dude. Wait on. Basically, negative 57 is actually like pretty much the same as 200 something. So yeah. Okay, so now, hold on. Okay, guys, I kind of figured it out, but same thing as usual. I kind of cheated a bit. So what I actually did for the bottom part here is basically when this is 0, which is now, because they can't really detect whenever you move. I mean, let's say if you just put less than or equals 360, they can't figure it out. So you must add this equals 0 and or, so that when this goes 0, when it rotates already, then you will go for this. Kind of cheeky, but yeah. And then for this part, because right now I can't figure out what, because just remember I put less than or equals 360, which actually doesn't work. Because y0 is less than 360, that's why it's never moving. Get it? So if, let's say, if my x is 0, I can't even rotate. So that's why this doesn't even this doesn't even care, because this condition is working itself. So what now I actually did was I kind of set the range of the angle I want to let it stop, and then when it stops, when it reaches this specific range of angles, then I'll reach here. So yeah, that's how I actually did for my down. So you can see it works now. It's kind of cool. So right now, at the next video, I'll actually show you how to make them go back to where they are. So I'll see you guys then.